Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. When there is a strong bond between two people, the universe also tries to search a way to bring them together no matter what happens. Without you, my love, I am mortal. With you, I am able to conquer the world and destroy every obstacle on the way. I love you more than anything else in this world. You are my everything, and the only thing that hurt is to lose you. No matter what you do or where you go, I will always love you, and my love will keep following you till the end of life. When the skies get darker and the storm appears, I believe that you are the one who will protect me from everything. I cannot stop myself thinking of you. When we met for the first time, I knew you are special, and now you are the most special man in my life. I am grateful for every moment that I spent with you. You are like a source of joy to me, my heart, and my whole world. When I say that I love you, I really mean it. I remind you that I love you by saying this. I have found you and now don't need paradise. I don't need dreams because I have a cute reality that is you. You are in my mind every time. You are the last thought in my mind when I go to sleep, and you are my first thought when I wake up. You are my whole world. Where I look, I find your love. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.